you want to push boundaries, you gotta go find them first. Introducing Osmo Action 3, an ultra-durable, professional-grade action camera designed to go beyond limits, anywhere you find them. A new quick-release design gives you a rock-solid connection to mounts, along with all of the accessories you use the most. Switch things up in an instant and shoot vertical with that same reliable connection. Osmo Action 3 delivers professional-level imaging performance with 4K 120 and a super-wide FOV for breathtaking footage. Even your wildest rides look immersive and super smooth when you enable Rocksteady 3.0. And keep any shot level with Horizon Steady. Stay ready for any moment with a battery that charges fast and delivers stable performance, even when it gets cold, like real cold. It's also smart, with AI that makes your selfie stick disappear with a touch. Optimized power consumption on Osmo Action 3 gives you a 160-minute max recording time and lets you shoot for more than 90 minutes in 4K 60.
Slow motion.
Dive deeper with a robust waterproof design that lets you go as low as 16 meters without adding any waterproof accessories. A built-in color temperature sensor provides more accurate color underwater and during transitions. Wet hands? No problem. Hydrophobic screens mean you can still control the camera seamlessly. A smart charging case lets you power up fast and check your levels with just a glance. And get crystal clear, high-quality audio thanks to an innovative microarray that ensures minimal wind noise. Wherever your next adventure takes you, Osmo Action 3 is ready to go beyond the edge.